All right, Mr. Batiste, congratulations on your purchase, your 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Tell me, how was your experience today, sir?
Man, it was good. It was good. Good customer service.
Thank you very much, sir.
Good customer service,
What else?
and they get you right on time
Nice. How'd you hear about us? Can you tell us that?
on social media.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, tell me, ma'am.
Congratulations, I got my new car.
Hey.
Y'all come visit the shop. They're easy to get along with. They get you in, get you out, and you'll be riding in a new car. Hallelujah.
Hey, as you can see, guys, you heard it from them. You didn't hear from me. So come on. The only thing we can guarantee if you don't try is you won't get it. So come on in,
So
take
come
a
on
chance, and let's make it happen, right?
Let's make it happen.
All right. See y'all on the next one, sir. Thank you so much.
You too.
Yeah. See you on the next one. Say it.
See you on the next one.
Hey. All right. There you guys go. Thank you so much.